guys, I'm going to do a couple of this. Going to
Can you get me a paper from there?
Which paper?
അതിൻ്റെ അടിയിൽ അവിടെ മാറ്റ് പോലെ നിനക്ക് വേണ്ടാത്ത കളിക്കുന്ന സാധനമില്ലേ
This one?
അതല്ലടാ ആ ഷീറ്റില്ലേ നിന്റെ കളിക്കുന്ന ചിത്രാംഗത തന്ന
Maybe this?
Yeah, one of those, yes. I can keep this on top. It's too hot.
I'm doing a little truck review. So if you don't mind, can I go to my truck review now?
Yeah.
So here it is, guys. The original truck. So there it is. Now, the first thing we're going to look at it is the engines right here. Okay, guys? There's the engines. See, put a hose right into there. Pretend there's gas filling up. Same on each side. On the front, you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 heaters with 4 lights. And by the way, 2 bumpers with a windshield with a little steering wheel right there with a type of thing that sprays out water right there, and a lid. Now on the top there's a lid and these 2 lights with these 2 heaters and this hose which attach to the what you call it, the trailer, and we're going to look at that later. So that's what it looks like with 2 tires, with a tire right there, a tire there, and here's the back with 2 back headlights right here, something that can hold something, and 2 windows which you can see the inside of there. Yeah, see?
What?
You can see these 2 stickers.
It's not really.
And here's the little
Ixnay,
door
you know?
with the stick.
On what?
Now we're done reviewing
Feeling
that.
But the friends and stuff?
Oh my god, this is the worst breakup ever.
You're breaking
Here's
up
the
with me? Oh, if
trailer.
that's what you want.
This is
I
what it
totally
looks like
understand.
with a little stand.
Hey,
Wow.
you still haven't activated that shortstop the Mariners just brought up.
One second.
Gotta have it. See, sports guy, people love you.
I can't be sports guy anymore, okay? It's killing me. I keep getting these constant texts and emails and phone calls in the middle of the night. Sometimes I even think that I'm being followed.
Hey, buddy. I need you to push that trade through so I can set my new lineup. Wow, you really carry it in your shoulders, don't you?
Seriously, it's over.
Do you want me to stop?
With Robin and PJ broken up, I was free
So
to make some
there is-
staffing changes in the office.
Hi, welcome to Mosby's Designs.
You've got to be kidding me.
And now that PJ was back at work,
Right here.
You've gotta be kidding me. So, apparently Robin and PJ are hiding again.
You've got to be kidding me.
Actually, just broken.
What?
Wait.
Okay, since Lily's not talking to me, there's something that I have to tell you, and this isn't easy to say, all right? I'm, wait for it, wait for it, love, wait for it,
Oh my gosh!
wait for it,
Why is he saying, wait for it? What?
A,
What?
wait for it,
What?
certain,
A
wait for it.
before
You're
what?
little Robin.
Lily
The
told me.
A
She
before
told you?
Robin?
Great. I bet you guys have been laughing at me behind my back the whole time.
Actually, in a weird way, we both think you're kind of perfect for each other.
The big
Bah.
one. Mom,
Matter of fact,
Mama,
even try to sit on the
see
same
this
side of the
yellow
bed, so you
tile?
have to sit here.
That's one of the pillars.
But let's be clear.
Oh,
Love her,
on.
okay?
Ba?
I just
Tsura na ba?
miss her when she's not around. I think about her all
You're
the time.
making
I
me
just
break
wonder
my
when
new
tortures
trailer
her so
that I
much
just
and then
made
bring
today.
out brown suede vest. You ever want to tell her how you feel? No. Maybe. Never. I don't know. I just need to get that PJ idiot away from her. If Lily were here, she'd know exactly how to get rid of him. Maybe I can help. Marshall, you're no Lily. Lily is a diabolical puppet master, subtly manipulating every situation to get exactly what she wants. She's pure evil, Marshall. You got a good one. Hang on to her.
Meanwhile, my bizarre tug of war with Robin over PJ continued.
Hey, PJ. It's about to go on my wisdom walk. Want to join me?
Hey, PJ, I took the bathroom cue without asking. What are you going to do about it?
Look, you guys are both great, but truth is I'm taking another job. These are for you. Robin, I hope this letter offers some closure. Ted, I'm really gonna miss you.
You can't trade Manny Ramirez for two-minute reliever. If you veto that trade, I am out of the league.
Okay, I'll figure it out.
Ba?
Hire the kid to be a paralegal. He gets to do all the work, and you still get to be sports guy. Pure evil, Erickson. Pure evil. Hey. Thanks.
Hey, you
So there it is. Now, let's hook it onto
What if I don't think of the
the
books?
Excuse me?
There's this famous
Look what it
architecture
looks
story about an
like.
architect who designed this library. It was perfect.
And this is a cat.
But every year, the whole thing would sink
Bye.
a couple inches
See
into
you
the
next
ground.
time.
Eventually, the building was condemned.